Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Lunar Classic update today. But before we get into the Lunar Classic chart here, we're going to actually start with Bitcoin chart. And so far on the 4-hour time frame, we've had Bitcoin that is repeating this pattern again and again. And you can see that we have a move down, a break above, move to the upside, right? The next one was this move to the downside, break above, retested, and then move to the upside as well. Now this time around, it's almost like rinse and repeat kind of a pattern, but now Bitcoin is not in an ideal situation to go back up, right? We are losing this trend line, and for a second I thought the retest was done here. If you do zoom in there, you can see that there's this little bit of a doji that actually could have been a confirmation to go back up, but now you're actually falling inside again, which is not a very good sign. So I would actually say that if Bitcoin manages to come back to 62,200, this is going to be a confirmation of the retest, right? Let's just hope Bitcoin does come back up right over here. Now let's get into Lunar Classic update. Now, Lunar Classic, on the other hand, is still on such a particular scenario. Okay, so we do have Lunar Classic that has come down, but down again to support level. So you have one touch and one touch and another touch right over here. So let's do hope that we're not getting any way more lower, because if you start to come down and make it all the way down to 77, or maybe I would actually say 77 here, right, 7,700. Then that can actually be an indicator that things are not interested to go to the upside, which is weird. This is not the expectation I had. It's not the expectation I was looking forward to. I was hoping that Lunar Classic probably is going to break above and try to push back up again here. Still, there's hopes. Let's just wish for the best right now. And once you do break above, here, then you probably will be going back up to nearly 12,313 back there. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.